Hey, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and assembling my Decoy MX Core 4 from YT Industries. I have been waiting like over a month for this, and I went down and picked it up from the mill in San Clemente, and I'm really excited to start riding this. Oh, okay. So I also ordered the Crank Brothers pedal set, and looks like the box took a little bit of a hit, but I'm sure the pedals are fine. And then this is the toolbox and instruction manual. Oh, that's pretty sick. Alright, so all the manuals are here. This packaging is awesome. First box is a stack of manuals and a sticker sheet. Alright, I ran through all the manuals. This is the most important one. It's got the unboxing and directions for assembly. And it's a lot thicker because it's in multiple languages. At first I was like, oh no, this is going to be a nightmare, but I think what is the English is up to like here. So, a couple pages. Next, let's take a look at these tools. Nice. Got a shock pump, a little torque wrench, and Allen key. I like the carbon fiber. And down here in technical, what we got? We've got the Fox suspension. Looks like manuals and whatnot. A bunch of reflectors. Is it a bell? It is a bell. Got the plastic pedals. Oh, nice. Comes with lights. Sick. You'd think I'd know this before. I have no idea what these are. These look like the collars by the handlebars. I'm a motorcycle guy. I'm not a bike guy. And then we've got the charger. Another manual, yay. Alright, let's get to assembly. It's a thick cable tie. Looks like the front mount got a little smashed up, so it doesn't want to stand up by itself, really. Let's get our derailleur hanger on there. I do wish there was a torque guide provided for every component that could potentially come with it, but a quick look online said 8 to 10 for the rear derailleur hanger. It's about there. Time to get the bars on. I just have these snugged up for right now. It's a zero gap at the bottom, and then I'll tighten them all down once I get the position how I like it. There we go. Finally got it to bite. And this goes to 3 Newton meters. Time to get the rear wheel on. There's a spacer in between the brakes here. So what I did is I repurposed the rear stand as a stand under the motor so that the bike is now stable. There's a little lever here that says on and off. I flip that to off. And now we should be able to put our wheel in. There we go. Yeah, not gonna lie, that's a tricky maneuver by yourself. Get the axle back in. Let's get the brake spreader off. Oh man, there's already a little scratch in my forks. That's okay. I'm gonna drop this bike a lot. Yep. Time to get our pedals on here. Yeah. So the bike ships with the brakes flipped. So we're gonna flip them over so that the front is on the, was that right side, and the rear is on the left. All right, I'm gonna leave those loose because I want to figure out where I want those. So we need to install our motor cable into the Shimano controller here, and there's a little tool in that bag that I thought was all shock parts. It's just every component's parts. And we install that in here. Bam. These little red covers off here. Props to Fox for putting their pressure right on the fork so I don't have to go looking for it. For my weight, I'm between 97 and 106 PSI here. I'm going to start out at an even 100 and I'll play around with it from there. I'll dive into some more suspension settings later. Right now, the initial setup is to set your rear shock, well, at least the Fox Float X2, to your weight in pounds. So I need to put about 200 pounds in here. And we're at 155-ish. Oh, this is gonna take forever. I've got 200 pounds on there, and what the Fox manual says, you want to cycle the suspension to kind of get the true reading. Let's not scratch up the frame. We're just under 200 now. I think that's perfect. So I've got the bars zeroed out. I'm just going to start there for now. And these bolts get torqued to 5 Newton meters. I'm going to zero out this bottom here since that's a zero gap. I also reposition my brake levers. Starting position here, so let's tighten these down. These, I believe, get torqued at 3. Probably use a little bit of cockpit cleanup. Let's see if she fires up. Ah, no battery. All right, we gotta charge it. This isn't going to do it any justice in here in this crowded garage, but here is the new YT. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, and in the next video we're going to be putting some protection film on it and probably going for our first ride and cleaning up all this mess in the background. I'm pretty stoked with this bike. It looks absolutely fantastic, and I can't wait to get out and start tuning the suspension and maybe becoming a better rider. I don't know. I'll probably crash this thing immediately. But thanks for hanging out with me in the garage. I'll see you in the next one.